A major breakthrough tonight for French Quarter merchants who say crippling infrastructure projects have destroyed their livelihoods.
In a swift court hearing this morning, the Sewage and Water Board caved to demands, agreeing to a binding judgment to finally give business owners along Decatur Street, Lower Decatur Street, some breathing room. Good evening. I'm Sheree Skipson.
And I'm Katie Moore. Lily Cummings was in the courtroom today. She outlines the new agreement and the uphill battle that merchants still face.
Since this infrastructure work on Lower Decatur began, the French Market restaurant has been in the red.
I will say since August of 2025, when the barricades went up by us, we have lost somewhere around 1.2 million since August. That's about 70% of our business, maybe a little more.
Christina Marullo is one of 9 plaintiffs who banded together to sue the Sewage and Water Board. Attorney Bob Ellis represented the group in civil court Friday, walking out with a major victory.
Win all the way around for my clients.
The new court-ordered agreement forces the utility to remove construction fences where work is not active, mandate merchants get at least 72 hours notice of any new closures, and exempt affected businesses from water disconnections. Should the utility break its end of the bargain,
if they don't do it, they're in contempt. And as a lawyer, you don't want to ever be in contempt, but I certainly wouldn't want to be in contempt of Judge Case.
The utility says they have accepted the consent judgment and are turning their full attention to finishing the project. Executive Director Randy Heyman stated, "We understand the frustration this project has caused, and we don't take that lightly." WWL Louisiana was the first to report on the Decatur debacle. Since September, we've tracked 3 neighborhood businesses forced to close their doors permanently. Ellis credits that exposure for the turnaround.
We filed the suit, but the media's coverage is what got the action of the Sewage and Water Board, the attention of Sewage and Water Board. I mean, before that, it was very quiet.
But Ellis says the fight is far from over. Next up, demanding the utility pay up for losses.
We're actually going to be having the buildings reviewed, inspected for physical damage, and then we have all the businesses have economic damage.
For now, Marullo's building is hidden, wishing for customers to walk through the door.
We are a strong family that's standing behind our restaurant, and we're definitely standing behind all the other business owners too.
Lily Cummings, WWL Louisiana.
The utility claims the entire project is in its final phases, with the remaining work to wrap up in the 3 to 4 weeks. After that, crews will lay the final asphalt.